Welcome. This video is an overview for agency provider direct support professional staff on how to start a shift using Express Mobile EVV. Before using Express Mobile EVV, there are a couple of important things to remember. First, Express Mobile EVV uses the term shift to mean the time you work as a DSP providing attendant care that creates a service delivered or SD billing entry. These shifts in Express EVV create the SD billing entries that document when you worked with an individual as a DSP for the agency. If you work with multiple individuals for the agency throughout your workday, you will start and end multiple shifts in Express Mobile EVV to create the SD billing entries for each individual. Secondly, location services must be turned on or enabled for your device and for the internet browser app you're using. Use your device's settings or preferences to update your location services setting if needed. Logging your location when you start and end working with individuals is a requirement of the federal law for EVV. Express Mobile EVV will document your location as a single point in time only when you start and end working with the individual. Express does not continuously track where you go during or after you work. Let's now walk through the steps to use Express Mobile EVV to start a shift, meaning to report when you've started working with an individual as a DSP. When you arrive to work with an individual, use a mobile device to launch an internet browser. Select Express from your favorites or bookmarks if you've saved it, or use the internet browser app to search for Express. Enter the keywords Express Login in the search bar and then tap Go. Remember, Express Mobile EVV is not an app that you download to your device. It's simply the Express website that's been configured to work on a mobile device for EVV services. From the search results, tap on Express Login to go to the Express website. Or you can enter the Express website address directly. That website address is shown here. You'll now see the Express EVV login screen. Hey, don't forget the pro tip. Once here, save Express to your bookmarks, favorites, or as a shortcut to your device's home screen for easier access the next time you need to log in. Enter your Express login name and password in the appropriate fields, and then tap Submit to log in. If you also work as a DDPSW, you may be prompted to select an option from the Organizational Program Area drop-down. Select the option for the agency you work for as a DSP, like shown in the example here. Tap Submit to finish logging in. When you've successfully logged in, you will see a message screen. You'll see this screen each time you log in. Please read the message and then tap Acknowledge to continue. Once logged in, you'll see the Select the Service screen. This screen will show the EVV services your agency has authorizations for that current date you're logged in to Express Mobile EVV. From the list of EVV services shown, tap on the service that you're about to start working with an individual. When selected, the service button will turn dark like shown here. You can only select one service at a time. With the service you're about to work selected, tap on Continue to move to the next screen. You're now on the Select the Individuals screen. Here you'll see a list of all the individuals who have authorizations with the agency you work for. Scroll down through the list to find the individual you're about to work with as a DSP. Or you can use the Quick Search field. To use the Quick Search field, type in the first or last name of the individual you're about to work with. Express EVV will filter the names in the list to show you matches. Searching by partial names will also work. With the individual you need located from the list, tap on their name to select them. Their button will turn dark when selected. If you're working with more than one individual for the selected service, you may tap on or select all the individuals that you need. With the individual or individuals selected, tap on Continue to move to the next screen. You'll now see the Please Confirm screen, showing the individual and the service you're about to begin working with. Please read this information carefully to make sure that it's correct. Use the red back button to go back and make any corrections if needed. If the information shown is correct, tap on the Begin Work button to report that you've started working with that person, meaning you've started your EVV shift with them. Depending on how the location services are set up for your device and the browser app you're using, you might get a pop-up message from Express asking to use your location. If you get a pop-up message like the one shown here, tap Allow or OK to continue. If you don't get a pop-up message like this, don't worry. Your device will still capture your location. Documenting the location of where EVV services begin and end is required by the federal law for EVV. Please be assured that Express Mobile EVV will simply capture point-in-time GPS coordinates of your location only when you start and end working with an individual. Express Mobile EVV does not track your location continuously or when you're not working. Remember, for Express EVV to capture your location as required, you must have your location services turned on for both the device and the internet browser you're using. If you don't have the location preferences set up correctly, you'll receive an error message from Express like shown here. If you get this error message, adjust the location settings on your device and then return to finish starting your EVV shift. If you need assistance to manage your location service settings, please consult the device's user manual or contact your mobile services carrier for assistance. If you've successfully started your EVV shift, Express will confirm by showing you a large green check mark like shown here. Tap on Return to Dashboard to go back to your EVV dashboard screen. On your dashboard screen, you'll see information that shows who you're working with and the start time and the date you started working. From here, you can start a new EVV shift for another individual joining you, or you can completely log out of Express Mobile EVV. To log out, simply tap on the three-lined icon in the top right corner of the screen, shown here circled in pink. From the menu that opens, tap on Logout. You don't need to stay logged into Express Mobile EVV on your device while you work. Express has your work information already saved to the website. You're now ready to work. What's next? DSP staff are encouraged to view the additional tutorial videos available on how to use Express Mobile EVV. Those videos include an overview of Express and EVV for DSP staff, how to log into Express Mobile EVV, how to end an EVV shift, and how to add an EVV shift for more individuals. Links to these videos are available on the Express Help menu. The Help menu website address is shown here. Thank you for watching this video presentation.